Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to delete contacts from Gmail. Friends, as we all know that if you are using Gmail account, all your mobile contacts and email contacts automatically save in your Gmail account. So to delete any of your contacts, you need to open Chrome browser in your mobile phone. Now here open contacts.google.com. Here if you are not already logged in your Gmail account, then you need to log in from here. You will be able to see all your contacts saved on your Gmail account. You need to press on the name to see the contact details. You can also edit these details. You can edit its name, etc. and press on save. If you want, you can also delete this contact by pressing on these three dots and here press on delete. Press on delete again. Now friends, like this you can very easily edit or delete contact in Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.